A pocket knife has one or more blades that fold into the handle. A pocket knife is one of the most useful tools around. It's also one of the most versatile, just as likely to be used to slice open a box as it is to carve a piece of wood or slice through the rope. Pocket knives designed for gardening include pruning knives. In this video, we will recommend you the 7 best pocket knives. We created this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. So, you can easily decide which is best for you. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below. Number 7. Kershaw Leek Pocket Knife. The Kershaw Leek Pocket Knife has a 3-inch blade and slim design, making it capable of fulfilling a wide range of cutting tasks. It is made from high-performance Sandvik 14C28N stainless steel. The blade resharpens easily and holds its edge. The bead-blasted finish provides a clean, matte look. It is a corrosion-resistant stainless steel handle contoured for a comfortable grip while in use. Silver, bead-blasted finish. Includes a reversible pocket clip for right, tip-up/down carry. It is equipped with Kershaw's speed-safe assisted opening for easy one-handed release with the flipper. Frame lock secures the open blade while in use, and the tip lock slider keeps the blade locked closed when folded. This handle can get a little slippery when wet, but it's also perfect for sliding in and out of your pocket in seconds, and the materials represent a solid price-to-performance ratio. Number 6. Spyderco C81 GP2 Paramilitary 2 Signature Knife. The Spyderco Paramilitary 2 Signature Knife is a 3.5-inch blade longer than most foldable knives steel. This additional length, firmly grounded with a strengthened compression lock, gives it a solid, sturdy feel, further supported by its no-slip, textured grip. Its G10 handle is narrowed at the end, improving the ergonomics. The handle and blade have been profile thinner, removing uncomfortable angles in the closed position. The Paramilitary 2 features extreme strength, reliability, ease of use of our patented compression lock mechanism and versatility of a 4-position pocket clip. The Paramilitary 2's one-handed deployment, lanyard hole, and clip add extra convenience and customization. It's comforting to know it would also serve you well if you carried out covert ops across enemy lines. Number 5. Benchmade 535 Bugout Knife. The Benchmade 535 Bugout Knife has the balance of durability and lightweight, a larger-than-average blade and overall versatility. The size of the blade ladder is key, as the 3.24-inch length of steel allows it to tackle bigger tasks without sacrificing away portability. Its textured handle, thumb stud for quick, effortless opening and metal clip, which can be positioned in 2 different spots, complement its good design with additional convenience. It is light and relatively compact, especially considering that it has a full-size blade, full-function usefulness, and carrying options. With its weight of 1.9 ounces, you won't find a sturdier and more functional pocket knife. That weight is low enough to carry on almost any adventure, and the function of the Bugout will not let you down. Number 4. Spyderco Delica 4 Lightweight Folding Knife. The Spyderco Delica 4 Lightweight Folding Knife offers new vibrant tones, including blue, green, brown, gray, orange, some green, black, and purple. Its blades are full flat-ground VG10 steel with a thinner, highly refined cutting edge and a larger 13mm opening hole. Its handle is dual skeletonized stainless steel liners that strengthen the knife without additional weight and double as an anchor for external and internal components to attach, generating more sturdiness. This blade spine is slip-resistant jimping. Phosphor bronze washers smooth out the open/close action and the clip. It's molded onto the FRN handle surface is bidirectional texturing for slip-free tactile traction. It provides resistance to slipping in hand. This alloy is known for its durability, resistance to rust, and ability to hold an edge. Number 3. Kershaw Cryo Folding Knife. The Kershaw Cryo Folding Knife is made with a 2.75-inch blade, accessible with the built-in flipper or the thumb stud, and is made of 8CR13 MOV steel, known for its toughness, edge retention and resistance to corrosion and wear. The Cryo is coated with matte gray titanium carbonitride, increasing the blade's hardness, helping maintain the edge, increasing the longevity of the blade, and providing a sleek, no-fuss look. The Cryo offers a tough frame lock and lock bar stabilizer for secure blade lockup, speed-safe assisted opening for fast and easy one-handed opening, and a user-adjustable, for position deep carry pocket clip for convenient low-in-the-pocket carry. The Cryo is designed to be a sturdy, aesthetically pleasing knife with a good in-hand feel. The knife handle, or frame, has two metal plates on either side of the blade, and when open, the lock bar butts up against the blade's back end to prevent blade closure. Number 2. Zero Tolerance 0450 CF Folding Knife. The Zero Tolerance 0450 CF folding knife affords versatile performance and high-end construction that's built to last. The 3.25-inch blade is made from S35VN stainless steel, the highest quality option for retail pocket knives. This material helps the 0450 deliver precise cutting and retain its edge over extensive use. Plus, the knife design keeps hardware out of the way, so virtually all the blade edge can be used for cutting. The titanium and carbon fiber help shed some ounces without compromising durability. The 0450 opens via finger flip with two hands or one. Once deployed, a frame lock keeps it securely in place. It comes with a pocket clip that can be configured for either left or right pocket carry. Kershaw designs pocket clips to fit specific knives according to their weight, intended end use, size, style, and hardware. Number 1. CJRB Folding Knife Pyrite. The CJRB Folding Knife Pyrite 3.1-inch blade has a drop point design that strikes a balance between strength and nimbleness for detailed cuts. Made with proprietary powdered metallurgy steel, the blade is resistant to chipping and easier to resharpen than the lower quality steel used in most budget knives. The knife handle is also made with stainless steel, enhancing its durability and corrosion resistance. The Pyrite's pocket clip adds practicality and supports the ambidextrous functionality, as it can be quickly swapped between left and right-hand carry. This is essential given the smooth, all-metal design that has limited friction points to keep it in place when loose in a pocket. CJRB provide an excellent after-sales service guarantee. USA's service center provides faster response to take care of your requests. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.